Hey there and welcome to irunbelle. My name is Tope if you're seeing me for the first time. And in this video, we're going to be jazzing up our hair with a jersey scarf. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you different ways in which you can style your hair, tie your hair, cover your hair with a jersey scarf or any kind of scarf, yeah, basically. So let's get right into this video without much ado.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not.
Who that? Who that? A babe and more. A babe and more.
Up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet.
Who that? Rich Auntie. Who that? Rich Auntie. I'm rich. I'm rich.
Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Who's ready? Who's ready to go out slinging like this? I think I need a bag for this one. I'm ready, baby. My scarf is not as long as I would like, but if yours is longer, you could go one more time and then tie it at the back. But for now, I'm just gonna put it up here. cute if you have a high puff, but because of how my hair is packed, I'm just gonna leave it like this, you know. Are you feeling it? Are you liking it? If you are, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're feeling any of the other styles as well, if you're liking them, let me know in the comment section as well. That's it. I hope you enjoyed all the hairstyles. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. Just show it some love. Show it a lot of love. Not some, a lot. Like that much love. I really enjoyed shooting the video and I hope you enjoyed it as well. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, stay fabulous, and bye.